All right, so today we are diving into something that I know is on a lot of your minds: how to actually successfully launch a business on Amazon Australia. It's a big topic, and we're going to break it all down. So let me ask you straight up. Is this a question that's been bouncing around in your head? You've probably seen the headlines, maybe you've heard some of those success stories, and you're thinking, could I actually do that?
Well, if you answered yes to that, you need to know this: you are definitely not alone. Seriously, the idea of jumping into e-commerce on a platform like Amazon is just buzzing in Australia right now. And you know what? It's for a really, really good reason.
So, what is all the fuss about? What's driving all this interest? Let's get into the why. Why is Amazon Australia looking like such a golden opportunity for folks looking to start something new? Okay, just look at the advantages here. It's pretty clear why this is so attractive. First off, you've got instant access to millions of local buyers. You're not building an audience from zero. You're plugging into a massive existing customer base that already trusts the Amazon name. Plus, the startup costs, they can be way lower than you think for a business that's built to grow with you. I mean, that's a seriously powerful combo right there.
But of course, with a big opportunity like this comes, well, a ton of questions. And honestly, this is the exact spot where so many people get stuck. They hit a wall of what-ifs and how-tos. So let's take a look at what's really on their minds when they first start digging in.
And this quote really nails it. It's not just about starting, right? It's about starting smart. It's that deep down fear of messing up, of making some expensive mistake, or just spinning your wheels for months with trial and error. That's the real hurdle that stops people in their tracks. I mean, does this look familiar to anyone? These are the exact things people are typing into Google every single day. You can see the progression, right? It starts broad, like how to start selling on Amazon Australia. And then it gets into the specifics, the real nitty-gritty. Amazon FBA Australia. What products should I sell? And even legal stuff like, do I need an ABN? That's an Australian business number. These aren't just random thoughts. These are the real-world roadblocks that need real answers. Okay, so how do you get past that wall of questions, that uncertainty? Well, the answer isn't to just guess. It's to get strategic. It's about shifting your mindset and building your entire launch on a solid foundation of actual data. And this is where it all starts to make sense. You can literally take every single one of those worries and map it to a concrete, data-driven solution. So that big, scary, how do I even begin, that turns into a step-by-step launch plan. The what products sell well question gets answered with data-backed product selection, not just a gut feeling. See what's happening? You're trading that anxiety for a clear, confident roadmap. So really, you're standing at a fork in the road. There are two ways to go. Path number one is guesswork. And you know where that leads? To confusion, a whole lot of trial and error, and a really slow, frustrating start. But path number two, that's the data-driven path. That one leads to confidence, clear strategy, and way faster, smarter results. It's a pretty clear choice when you lay it out like this. Okay, let's zoom in on one of the biggest game changers, and also one of the biggest question marks for new sellers, FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon. Think of this as the super powerful engine humming away behind the scenes that you, as a seller, get to tap into.
So what is it exactly? Well, at its simplest, FBA is Amazon's gigantic logistics network that you get to use. They take care of storing your products, packing them up, shipping them out, and even handling customer service. This is huge. It means you get to focus on growing your business and finding great products, not spending your life taping up boxes and running to the post office.
And look, this isn't some far-off thing happening in the US. This is real, and it's right here. Amazon has built out a serious network of these fulfillment centers all across Australia. We're talking Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, all over. This physical presence is exactly what allows your stuff to get to customers with that super fast, reliable prime shipping that everyone knows and loves. That's a massive advantage to have on your side.
Okay, let's tie this all together. When you combine that smart, data-driven approach with a powerful tool like FBA, what you're really doing is creating a massive launch advantage for yourself right from the get-go.
So here's the playbook. This is what it really takes. It's not about getting lucky. It's about launching with confidence because you have a plan. It's about finding winning product ideas because you're looking at real data, not just guessing. It's about knowing FBA inside and out from day one, setting up your business the right way from the start and creating product listings that actually show up when people search. Each one of these steps is crucial. And that pretty much brings us to the end. You've seen the roadmap now, you know how to get from that place of confusion to a place of confidence. The tools are there, the strategies exist to take a cool idea and turn it into a real, thriving business. So, I guess the only real question left is, you've got the roadmap, what winning product are you going to launch first?